In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of the black screen problem that you're having on your LG TV. If your TV does not turn on when pressing the power button on the remote control or under the TV, let me guide you on how to fix this. So the first step is to disconnect the TV from the wall socket. If it's plugged into a power strip, go ahead and unplug the TV. Set this aside. And we'll need to find the power button that is located under the TV. Usually it's under the LG logo, but sometimes it's on the left side or the right side. Just put your hand under and you should feel it. My power button is right in the middle. You see, it's this thing over there. And what you need to do now is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Be patient. I know the TV is unplugged, but you need to press this power button to drain all the remaining energy from your TV. After 30 seconds, release the power button. Go ahead and reconnect the TV to a wall socket, and I suggest you connect it directly and avoiding connecting it to any power strip like this one, because sometimes this power strip could be the issue. And once the TV is connected to a power outlet, go ahead and turn it on, but using the power button below the TV and not the remote control. So press, wait, and hopefully this time your TV will turn on as it's supposed to. If after doing this you're still having the black screen issue, what you can do is the exact same step I showed you. So unplug it from the wall socket, press that button during 30 seconds, but this time take your remote control, remove the batteries while the TV is unplugged after pressing the power button, remove the batteries, and now what we're gonna do is to press the power button on the remote control during 30 seconds as well. Okay? This will drain, again, the energy of the remote control, because sometimes the remote control could be the cause of the screen not turning on when we're pressing the power button. After 30 seconds, release that button, put back the batteries. And now before connecting your TV back into the wall socket, I suggest you disconnect any HDMI devices that are connected on the back of your LG TV, because these could be the issue. So disconnect them all, so all the HDMI ports are free from any devices. Then go ahead and connect the power cable. And now it's time to turn on the TV once again by pressing the power button on the TV itself, and hopefully after doing everything it will work. After doing this, you can go ahead and connect the HDMI devices that were connected previously. Now, if everything didn't work and the TV screen is still black and it's not able to turn on, one thing that may be causing this issue is the backlight of your LG Smart TV not working. So how do you make sure it's this? Well, turn the TV on by pressing the power button the same way it's supposed to do. And sometimes you're gonna even hear some volume going on, but nothing on the screen. Then take your smartphone and put the flashlight, just a basic flashlight here. And while the TV is turned on, you're gonna pass it through like this. And you're gonna try to see if you're able to catch any details. If you're able to see something, an image or a menu, something that was supposed to be on the screen, it clearly means that the backlight of your TV is completely broken and you'll need to fix this component. Unfortunately, to be honest, I do not know how to do this, but I know that on YouTube there's many good tutorials of people actually knowing what they're talking about when fixing the backlight. So I prefer not showing something that I'm not sure how to do it properly. If you found another solution on how to fix the black screen of your TV, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll be very glad to read it and maybe even make a video about it so I can help more people. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.